know what you mean. I am going to build a baseball tower. And I'm going to buy you the hand. Let me buy away your baby home baby. So buy away. Bye away. I will buy away. Give a baby home baby. Oh no. Oh no. Yeah. No. Oh yeah. What? What even was that? No, Dolphin. Yeah. No. Yeah. Oh yeah. That will do those guys. 4 days. Da. They got that deal right now. They will really do. And do not remove that or else you'll be banned. No one wants to be banned. Dynamite. I don't need one. Now I don't need that. I will like you or like you dynamite. Gee.
Freddie, why are you saying Bob?
I got 10 more dynamite. Stop buying your dynamite. You like your face or and destroy it, okay? It's time to get a lemon into Upland. Wait, not that one. I think that's huge. No, not this one. That one is my lemon. I think this one for the most. Yes, this one is for the most. I got my demo. Yeah, they knew and that eat all you been banned. Okay? They knew and that and you're banned on below you. And I like it. If you want to have a done off being in this remote.
Mouse move.
Bahnity always a bit more safe. Wait. What's that do with Bahnity? Zoom out at a nice zoom. Okay, has to be any live zoom. Bye.